Good afternoon, my people. I got so worried and had to be stepped into this very nonsense issue being trending because I saw someone tag on my page, and you know why I'm talking this, because I don't know the reason why the person tag it on my page. What's her name? Frank, whatever thing that tag it to me. I will remove the tag. He will tag it again. I don't understand. Akwa Okoko in Oba having an issue with something that does not concern him. I don't know why it should be an issue, because the Ebukobi you are telling, to be very honest, Ebuka does not know you existing. I am telling you 100% that Ebuka do not know. In fact, Prophet Ebuka have never seen the thousands that is in Zion, thousands that is using his name to do fraud, and talk more of the person that is talking from Oba, which is Akwa Okoko. Why sometimes you people don't understand that some certain things are not necessary to be argued about or talk about. Man, I don't know what is all this bullshit all about. If Ebukobi now got upset and consult the oracle, the great oracle, the most high God, that he's serving, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, do you think that there will be a peace in the life of Akwa Okoko? No, let me make it clear to you people. There will not be any peace if Ebukobi verse one single verse. But that man of God, that genuine man from God, because he does not even, he not send you, he not even care. So I don't know why this Frank, whatever, is tagging me that video. If I remove the tag, he will tag me again. Why? Must I interfere? Ebukobi is my pastor, is my prophet. He's a pastor, he's a prophet, he's a man of God, man from God that I love his ways so much. For the father, he loved my father Mbaka. I love him so much. I love Ebukobi with passion. In fact, I love him with extra love. When somebody say, all these idiot people that is doing bad thing in Nigeria, thunder will fire all of you, does he call anybody name? If you come and that means you are the evil person that he's talking about. He said, all this native doctor, you are going to native doctor, you are doing this one, mapta. Ebukobi will not even send you. So this anyway, you're not talking to him, you're talking to his shadow. And the shadow you are talking to, if you talk to the shadow too much, shadow Ebukobi will be a yege. Trust me. I know maybe you're trying to get famous, you're trying to get popular, but not to use the men of God to do those things. The other time you were talking about great lion, the lion himself, the Jagaban of Anambra State, the lion of Odumeje. What did Odumeje say? Odumeje just warned you, and since then you stay away. Now you enter the worst one, the dangerous one, the most dangerous one, the high tension. Ebukobi that you know, if you touch him by mistake, you die by correction. If you dare touch Ebukobi by mistake, you die by correction. Let me say it to all of you. Any government, whatever the government you are, be you so, whatever government you are, you touch him by mistake, you die by correction. By the time they are trying to correct you, finish, you have a kidney problem, you have a kidney failure, you die. So I don't know what is the whatever nonsense, but personal advice as your senior brother, Akwa Okoko, and I'm also a senior to you in everything in life. If you start touching money, I'm your senior. If you start driving 125 car 1020, we have AGUGBAOLA 1 till 14. My name is His Royal Highness King Jeff AGUGBAOLA. He's in the born of United Arab Emirates. I know you know, but general, the whole Africa. The speaking mouth of the whole Ohanese in the whole world. One and all in Enugu State. You hear Oba from Oba, where you come from late PCS Nine Oba titled me Ieri Oba, one of Oba. So you see, in life, you must learn how to respect things that are meant to be respected. Ebukobi is meant for you to respect. Respect Ebukobi one name. Respect. If it's possible for you to worship him, worship him. When you serve the God and leave his people, that means you are doing pasha. You must serve the God and